The courtroom comedy SEC vs. Ripple has been tense for both parties. With the litigation taking forever to resolve, Ripple accuses the SEC of framing Ripple in the midst of the conflict. Both parties are currently under intense strain as orders are issued against them. So, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, what Brad Garlinghouse has stated about the SEC, and how to double your money, be sure to watch this video till the conclusion. In today's video, we'll discuss about XRP, its price projection, and, most significantly, the latest developments in the Ripple vs. SEC litigation. We at the XRP Legend assist you in identifying market opportunities and how to make your investments even more wise. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about XRP in the comments section below. Do you believe XRP will reach $2 before the end of 2021? Make sure to enable all of your alerts to our channel in order to stay up to date on all of the greatest secrets in the world of XRP. Ripple is currently trading at $1.26, representing a 0.27% decrease in price over the last 24 hours. XRP is now on a price bull run, and if it breaks through its important resistance, the token's momentum will be validated to a very large level. But before we go into XRP and its pricing, please keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is unpredictable and always changing. As a result, by the time you watch this movie, the price mentioned here will have shifted to a completely different range. Furthermore, the material in this video is not intended to be used as financial or investment advice in any way. This movie offers material that has been sufficiently curated to be instructive and informative to make a more informed investment decision. You must conduct our thorough market research or talk with an expert. With that said, let's get started. The tension in the legal battle between the two sides rises as the case appears to be coming to a finish. Many have plenty to say about the SEC's immoral attitude to Ripple breaking its well-established link involving both its commercial operations overseas and at home, XRP trading globally, and its aim to become the currency of global payments. XRP, which was supposed to replace the current outmoded international monetary transfer system, has become entangled in a lawsuit that has taken over its pricing action for an extended period of time. Despite the fact that XRP has been delisted from numerous crypto trading platforms, the token and its parent firm continue to tackle global monetary transfer concerns, supporting XRP price movement. In reference to the SEC complaint against Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse slammed the SEC handling of the Ripple issue, claiming that the agency is making it up as they go along. The judge stated unequivocally that the Ripple Fair Notice defense is derived directly from laws contained in the United States Constitution. As a result, the regulatory authority will require more than just an argument to overcome the defense. Brad Garlinghouse isn't shy in framing the situation as ridiculous. In his remark, he expressly mentions the defense of the unattainable fair principle. Even when Ripple had such an impenetrable defense, power coming from the Supreme Court of the United States backed by the due process concept. Brad Garlinghouse ominously argued that no one is secure. He also refers to the present moment, implying that the SEC is preparing to target anyone in the near future. This has been apparent from the outset that the SEC action isn't just about Ripple. It's about what unattainable requirements of fair notice and due process may do to crypto innovation, Brad remarked. Anyone could be next at any time. Ripple's management statements were in response to a Forbes piece titled "The Crypto Uprising the SEC Didn't See Coming." The article by Rosalind Layton has some intriguing insights on how the SEC Ripple prosecution has resulted in the anticipation of only a few persons in the blowback, not least from the whole SEC. No one expected the tsunami of legal, political, and social media activity from retail cryptocurrency investors furious by the betrayal from an institution professing to protect their interest, she writes in the article. Layton's post wonderfully describes the negative consequences of the SEC's unusual moves. Even when these procedures were unintentional, they resulted in the depreciation of the regulatory body's value during its years of development and operation. She outlined the overarching result of the litigation, which has resulted in a significant degradation of the SEC decision-making and supervisionary credibility among the crypto investment community. Layton clearly describes the case as a blowback to what the regulatory body would have believed otherwise. At the moment, the suit is not deciding which party is to blame for or whether pro-Ripple sentiment is bursting to the surface. Instead, the Ripple vs. SEC case has categorized the concern over the arbitrary notice and the regulation by enforcement. Are you still looking? Because now it's going to be real. Don't miss what this video is about to release. The lawsuit highlighted a specific, obvious flaw in the SEC workings and its agreement on oversight in the crypto investing market. Senator Elizabeth Warren purposefully sent a letter to current SEC Chair Gary Gensler requesting information about the regulator's authority to properly regulate cryptocurrency exchanges and determining whether Congress needs to act to ensure that the SEC has adequately used its authority to close existing regulatory gaps. He said the weaknesses in the SEC rules would not have been exposed if it had not been for this complaint. It is also vital to consider what a certain arm of government thinks of a particular location. We feel that the Digital Market Structure and Investor Protection Act must be enacted in order to properly determine the regulation of the crypto market, especially since one of the government's highest regulatory agencies is not in accordance with the entire system. Every initial coin offering is a security, according to SEC head Gary Gensler. He argues that the majority of tokens floating in the crypto ecosystem, including XRP, are nothing more than unregistered securities. Furthermore, in her piece, Layden discusses the SEC lack of quick thinking in response to the lawsuit's obvious consequences. Even though the SEC feels its actions were taken in good faith to identify XRP trading, there has been widespread criticism and a question of culpability on the SEC side due to their apparent lack of foresight with regard to the consequences of their actions. The lawsuit not only brought XRP trading to a halt, but it also had an impact on the whole cryptocurrency industry in the United States. In layman's terms, the suit serves as a cautionary note when it comes to conducting business with cryptos. The court granted another extension on the SEC internal documents fact and expert discovery deadline in favor of the SEC. Brad Garlinghouse earlier claimed that the case was an attack on the crypto business in the United States. These words have grown more palpable as the discovery phase has progressed. Not everything, though, is on the SEC side. The SEC filed a motion last month asking the court to compel discovery of material on Ripple's discussions on the Slack messaging network. The SEC feels that the same is required for the suit to be decided. Despite Ripple's objections, the court approved the SEC application and ordered Ripple to submit terabytes of Slack messages from the SEC-designated 22 custodians. Ripple contended that the discovery and production of the same would take months and be prohibitively expensive. That doesn't appear to have worked on the judge. According to Jeremy Hogan, the SEC is currently investigating Ripple's marketing strategy. If the SEC is able to prove Ripple offered XRP as an investment contract, the court may deem XRP to be security, according to the Slack post. On the other hand, Ripple has declared success after the judge backed with Ripple's reasoning in the privilege disagreement involving the SEC internal papers. The SEC has argued that the deliberative process privilege safeguards its internal materials. Judge Sarah Netburn had previously dismissed the case twice, and she heard it again over the phone this time. However, the SEC did not fare well, and Judge Sarah dismissed the case, ordering the SEC to disclose crucial papers since they are critical to the outcome of the claim. From a technical standpoint, XRP is bullish and conserving energy for its upcoming bullish run. XRP current price trade is at $1.26. If XRP can close right over its critical resistance at $1.27, the token will be able to validate a significant momentum that could potentially drive XRP price action towards its highs at $1.70. With the suit's developments largely in Ripple's favor, there's a huge possibility that XRP may surpass the $2 milestone. Overall, this token is a must-have, and if you are investing in XRP, you must keep a careful eye on every element connected to Ripple's abroad endeavors and the case as a whole. Thank you for your time. Please leave a remark about what you'd want to see next. Meanwhile, don't forget to set on post notifications to get notified whenever we submit a new video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all in the next one.